Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Maths and Fun with Poonam. So in today's session we are going to learn equal sharing of different objects using fractions. Okay, so let's begin the session. See, if I have 12 pencils, I can easily share in 4 students, right? How you will share it equally? By dividing 12 by 4. 4 threes are 12. So you will be giving 3 pencils to each. So ultimately 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 will be 12 pencils. है ना? This is easy. But in case you have to share equally using fractions, how will you do that? So for that, we have again a simple method. For example, I have to share, this is first example, this is second example, where we will apply fractions. I have again 12 pencils and I have to find 1/4 of 12 pencil. Maybe I want to give 1/4 pencils to my friend Riya, right? So 12 pencil and I have to give 1/4 part of this to Riya. So 1/4 of 12, how will you find? Very simple. In that case, 1/4 of 12, you have to frame a question first of all. This is our question, that 12 pencil and 1/4 of it you have to find. So in that case, see, in that case, of will become multiply. Always remember, of will become multiply 1/4 and 12. Now I'm telling one new thing here which I have not told till yet, that every whole number or a natural number is a fraction number. How? When there is nothing in the denominator, we assume it as 1. Please remember my words. Every whole number or a natural number is called a fraction number because 1 is always there, whether it is visible or not. It is there. So 12 can also be written as 12/1 and 12/1 can also be written as 12. So both are same. Now the next step will be, as you see, it is saying that multiply with each other. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? हम घर को थोड़ा सा बड़ा करेंगे and न्यूमरेटर्स को friends बनाएंगे. So 1 will become the friend of 12. See, 1 will become the friend of 12 by multiplying each other, upon 4 will become the friend of 1 by multiplying each other. Now their houses are not different. They are living in one house only. Now, as it says, 1/12 or 12/1 12 upon 4/1 or 1/4 4 4/1 or 1/4 4. See, children, I have told you a little longer method. Why? Because I don't want to, do shortcuts. I don't want to follow shortcuts. Shortcuts will be there. But when you will be in class 5, 6, 7th, right now you are in class 3 or 4. And during these classes, my children should know how come the next step has come. How it has come. Not directly, but by doing all the steps. Okay? So don't jump over the final step. Just go through all the process step by step. 12/4 says, next thing I am introducing. ध्यान से सुने. Next thing I am introducing. पहली चीज हमने क्या पढ़ी थी? Every whole number or a natural number is a fraction number. See, 12 मतलब 12/1. You can write it. 4 means 4/1. You can write it. 3 means 3/1. So 1 is there but invisible. 3/1 or 3, both are same. 1 in case as per your convenience you can add. हमने क्यों 1 लगाया? So that I can balance one number with other. आप लोग confused ना हो. You should know which number will be multiplied with like how will you multiply, which two numbers will be multiplied. So for that reason I have added 1 here. So now next, 12 upon 4, what does it mean? इसका मतलब है 12 divided by 4. फ्रैक्शन नंबर को ध्यान रखें, that means numerator is divided by the denominator. So I'm dividing 12 by 4, and in the table of 4, 12 comes at its 3, or 12 is the third multiple of 4. 4 3s are 12. So 12 का 1/4 पार्ट टू रिया जो हमें देना है, मतलब कितनी पेंसिल्स मिलेंगी रिया को? रिया will get 3 pencils only. ठीक है? So 1/4, that means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 will be 12. ये 1/4 पार्ट है, 2 पार्ट्स को मिला दिया तो हाफ पार्ट हो गया, right? So this is how we can tell easily that what will be the 1/4 part of 12. So I want to do one more part to make you understand the same concept. So follow me. Let's do one more part. So now I'm taking one more example of it. For example, this time I want to give 3/4 of 20 rupees to my sister. Mama said, Poonam, I'm giving you 20 rupees. You have to give 3/4 part of 20 rupees to your sister. ठीक है? So please find out the share and give that much amount to your sister. So in that case, how will you find it? Very simple. So as I told you, there is invisible 1 in the denominator. So will become multiply 3/4 20/1, right? Now let's call them together in one house. घर को थोड़ा बड़ा कर लेते हैं, अभी घर छोटा था, हमने उसे बड़ा कर लिया. Now 4 multiply by 1, all together 23s are 60, 4 1s are 4. तो मैम ने क्या बताया अभी आपको? It means you are dividing your numerator by denominator. So we will also do the same. 60 divided by 4. Either you multiply, either you divide in rough side, or you can write directly. For example, 4 1s are 4, 2 0 came down, 4 5s are 20, and this time 0 0. That means 3/4 part of 60 rupees will be 3/4 part of 20 rupees will be 15. So your answer will be rupees 15. चलिए अब इसको पिक्चर रिप्रेजेंटेशन से भी समझते हैं, ठीक है? Because we should know how to represent or how to use something in real life, how to use concepts in real life. So for that we need to understand. तो हमने अभी जो बात करी है बच्चों, 20 rupees की बात करी. रिया को दिया है 3/4. If I make 4 parts of 20, so it will be written as rupees 5 plus rupees 5 plus rupees 5 plus rupees 5. What I did? I have made 4 parts of 20, equal parts of 20. Now out of 4, 3 parts I have to give to my sister. So these 3 parts I have taken. See, rupees 5 plus rupees 5 plus rupees 5. So altogether it is rupees 15. See, so this is how we have done पिक्चर रिप्रेजेंटेशन में आप इसको रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ ₹5 नोट और विद द कॉइन. ठीक है, 5 के नोट्स तो अब नहीं है, सो यू कैन यूज कॉइन ऑफ ₹5. सो आई एम गोइंग टू इरेज इट. आप इससे भी रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो ऑल टुगेदर इट विल बी 20. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन रिप्रेजेंट इन पिक्चर फॉर्म एज वेल. तो बच्चों, वी आर डन with equal sharing using fractions. So this is how you can do. Let me make you revise one more time. First step, of will become multiply. Then keep both the numerators and denominators in one house. Multiply all together. Then divide your numerator by denominator. You will get the answer. If you want to do it in a short form, then what you will do? See, short में कर सकते हैं, but after learning the whole process. Okay, after learning the whole process, you should know what should be the next step. Jump नहीं करना है directly. It will definitely give you the wrong answer. ठीक है? So direct में 3 multiply by 20 upon 4. 23 is 60 upon 4. 60 divided by 4 will be 15. So this is how you can do. But I want my children to follow step-by-step journey. It will give you more clarity and longer retention. So please follow that. Stay tuned with me, be with me, learn math from me. I will make you well versed in that. That's my promise. So that's it for today's class. We will meet in the next session. Till the time, bye.